Sora 2 is finally here, but many people are trying to get an invite code to use it. In this video, I'll show you how to use it without an invite code and for free. Yes, you heard that right. No invite code needed, and it is free. If this isn't your first time watching me, you already know I never do clickbait. So by the end of this video, Sora 2 will be accessible to you for free. And if it is your first time, welcome.
I will also create demos with the tool. I encourage you watch all of them, so you can improve your prompting skills with one of the top AI tools out there.
Let's dive in. If you enjoy this type of content, like the video and subscribe to the channel, so YouTube will recommend more videos like this to you. Before we start with the demos and showcases, I'll quickly show you how you can use Sora 2 for free.
Go the link in the description. You will see a page like this.
In the top right corner, you'll see Login for free. Click that, and you can log in using any Google account or an email address. Once you log in, you'll see a screen like this. As you can see, it's neatly designed. For this video, we'll be using the text-to-video section on the left-hand side. When you click on text-to-video, a typical prompt page opens up. In the engine section, you'll find many different engines, and as you can see, Sora 2 is included there as well. As you can see, the free version has 0 credits next to it. We'll be creating today's templates using this free version of Sora 2. One important note: if it doesn't work when you try it, connect through a VPN using a US server, and it should work perfectly. Now let's take a look at what Sora 2 can do and what kind of videos we can create with it. For our first test, we'll make a video where a celebrity speaks. You can create a video using the name of any person you like. You've probably already seen tons of these online. As an example, I chose my favorite basketball player, Kobe Bryant, and prepared a simple prompt like this. After entering it here, I just click Create. As you can see here, it put us in a queue since we're using the free version. But don't worry, it moves fast. It usually takes just a minute or two for the result to be ready. Now, let's take a look at the final output.
The moment you give up is the moment you let someone else win.
Yes, I was honestly impressed after watching it. You can literally make any celebrity say anything you want in any style you like. The result we got was really good. The quote I used sounded great. The video flowed in a cinematic way, and the voice quality was excellent. The body movements could be a bit smoother, but that's probably something we can improve by slightly modifying the prompt. Still, for a first try, I'd say it's a fantastic result. Now, let's move on to the next example, which is creating Brainrot Viral videos.
I've created a simple Brainrot prompt like this. As you know, Brainrot content, especially those with engaging, repetitive appeal, is very popular among younger audiences. For this, I made a prompt where a gorilla is sitting at a laptop, screaming, neon city on the background with a money flow. Let's see what kind of result we'll get from this. Yes, it turned out to be really fun. The music choice is great, and even the energy drink on the table is there like we asked. In the background, you can see money raining down, and the gorilla is visibly angry. There is even synced keyboard sounds, a nice touch added to the detail. I think it's very successful and also funny. Now, let's try creating something more documentary style next. Now, let's try creating a documentary style video. For this, I'm entering a prompt like this. Under the sea, with detailed visuals, I want sunlight rays, different kinds of fish, and an overall realistic atmosphere. Let's see how it turns out. Honestly, it feels like we're watching Discovery Channel. The level of realism is incredible. There's even underwater sound and a subtle ambient background tone added automatically. You can see fish swimming around, colorful corals, and even how the left side is darker while sunlight beams come through just as we described, softly illuminating the scene. It's really close to perfection.
Now let's take a look at how well this tool handles images. Specifically, how it transforms them into a high-quality video. For this test, I'll use a beautiful photo of the Grand Canyon. After uploading the image, I entered a prompt asking it to create a video that transitions through different seasons. Let's see what kind of result it generates. I'm really curious about this one. So here's the result. I'd say there's one weak point, but let's start with the good parts first. The use of sound during transitions is excellent. The ambient background audio gives a really pleasant tone, and the season transitions, from summer to spring, fall, and winter, are all clearly visible and beautifully done. As for the weak side, as you probably noticed too, the aspect ratio changes from horizontal to vertical. However, this could be an issue related to the platform we are using now, and I'm sure there's a solution for it. Maybe not in the free version, but definitely in the paid one. Still, overall, I'd say this result is quite successful, especially considering it's generated for free. Now, let's see how we can remove watermarks from these videos. Now let's see how we can remove these watermarks. I'll quickly show you how. When you search this on Google and click on the first result, you'll reach the tool that lets you remove the watermark. When you open the site, go to the video section at the top and select Video Watermark Remover. Then you can upload any video you want, just like I did. For example, I uploaded the one with Kobe Bryant. Next, I selected the logo in the top right corner, then clicked Remove Now. And as you can see, the watermark is gone. Let's play the video. Yes, it's completely clean, no watermark left. Now, in our own Sora creations, the Sora watermark didn't appear, but I'll show you how to remove Sora's built-in moving watermark when it does appear. So, I'm uploading a new video for this example. As you can see, Sora has a moving logo watermark. First, I select that watermark area. Then, I scroll through the video to track its movement. As you can see, the logo changes position. So I select the logo area again where it moves, making sure both spots are covered. Then I click Remove Now again. And yes, as you can see, the watermark is cleanly removed.
Now let's see how brands can use Sora too. With tools like these, brands can create ads that reach audiences in completely new ways and evoke totally different emotions. Now let's watch a few fun examples together. I'll start with an Adidas commercial.
City lights, fast beats, nothing slows me down. Every step, every drop of sweat, that's mine.
Whoa.
This is momentum, yours to make. Adidas, create your...
As you can see, the music, the scene transitions, and the character consistency are all on point. There's even a subtle wow sound effect in the background, perfectly timed with the visuals. Overall, a really well-made ad. Now let's check out a Burger King ad.
Burger King.
Biting the burger scene was a bit weird, but when you think about it, creating a scene like this with real props would take a ton of time and effort. Being able to achieve it with just a few prompts is honestly fascinating. Lastly, let's take a look at a BMW commercial.
When electricity meets emotion, every drive becomes something more. From mountain switchbacks to city streets, power flows instantly, silently, relentlessly.
Honestly, I couldn't tell the difference between this and a real professionally shot commercial. The way the car moves, the camera angles, and the interior shots all look incredibly realistic, completely on par with professional production quality. And finally, I'll show you a few examples in a very surprising category. In my opinion, online content is about to change dramatically, and very soon. Now, we're going to watch a few reaction videos. We all love to watch them, right? And the fact that these can now be created with AI means we'll probably start seeing reaction videos in every field imaginable. Let's start with an example.
Bro, that's on his face? Oh my, nope, there's no way that doesn't hurt. How many is that? 49? 50? Ew, right on the nose. Look at his eyes. He's holding back tears. 54? 55, and he's just chilling. I could never.
Here, the video on the left is AI generated, and it's honestly incredible. It's fun to watch, And even though the facial movements could be a bit smoother, it still captures the emotion really well. Let's check out one more example.
Wow, she looks ready. That's insane. What is that? Oh no, he looks unstoppable. She's about to do something big. Whoa, let's go. That looks crazy good.
Again, the AI reactions sync nicely with the scenes and emotions, which makes it feel surprisingly natural. Just to remind you, the AI-generated person is the one on the right. You can probably imagine how big this will become. With how popular reaction videos already are, the idea of creating AI-based reaction videos that can adapt to any topic or mood is simply mind-blowing. And that's it. You now know how to use Sora 2 completely for free without an invite code. Plus, you saw just how far production can go, especially in ads and high-visibility formats like reaction videos. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to stay ahead with the newest AI tools, tutorials, and demos. I post videos like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.